Not blame anyone for trying to escape this heat because it's warm outside.
Oh no, oh absolutely not. Yeah, so our last day of June was yesterday. June went out with a bang, 99 degrees. July started with an even bigger bang. Our high for today, 103 degrees in Bakersfield. Tomorrow we are looking at a very slight cool down, but I use slight very, very strongly because really still triple digits. 100 degrees expected in Bakersfield. Some of our valley communities staying in the upper 90s, but we can see many of our valley communities breaking through the century mark for tomorrow. Our southern mountains in the 80s. Tehachapi 87 degrees. Tehachapi did surpass 90 degrees today. Fraser Park 82 degrees for tomorrow. And then our Kern River Valley in the mid 90s. Lake Isabella expected to hit 95 degrees for tomorrow. In our desert communities, 90s as well with some triple digits popping up. Ridgecrest looking at 103 degrees for tomorrow. Our air quality actually staying exactly the same where we were today, which is not great. We've been watching our air quality worsen. Today we had an AQI of 100. Same thing for tomorrow. That AQI of 100 is technically in the moderate range, but it's right on the edge of the unhealthy for sensitive groups range. So you're going to want to be cautious if you have any breathing, lung, heart, any issues like that. As we take a look ahead, we see 100 degrees for Monday and Tuesday, but then we do actually start to cool down. Once again, cool down used very loosely because we still are at 96 degrees, but that's actually right about our seasonal average right there for Wednesday, July 4th. And then Thursday, we stay nice and cool as well in those 90s, but then we can see our temperatures do pick back up by Friday, meaning next weekend looking at a triple digit weekend again. And actually after Sunday, models are showing right now we could get even warmer than that, so possibly surpassing our warmest temperature that we've had so far this year, which was 105 degrees. So stay tuned on that, but it's looking like the beginning of next week could be nice and hot. Kern River Valley, 95 degrees for tomorrow, staying in the 90s through the week. Looking like Saturday we could jump up to those triple digits. Tehachapi, 87 degrees for tomorrow, staying in the 80s and then jumping up to those 90s. Look at that, lower 90s by next weekend. Fraser Park 80s for the beginning of the week and then staying in those 80s. So once again, today nice and hot. We will start to cool down through about Wednesday, Thursday, just in time for 4th of July, but then picking right back up next weekend.
So enjoy those 90s. That's the message. All right, we'll do that. Thanks, Leah. Coming up next, it's been a day.